Okay, ladies, now let's get information. I slay. Okay, ladies, now let's.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be making a video using the Morphe 305 palette. 35O palette, or the 350. I've been wanting this for so long and I finally got it. I'm so excited.
So yeah, today I'm gonna use it to create a makeup look. I don't really know what I'm gonna do yet. I'm just gonna go with the flow. My eyebrows and apply my foundation and everything. I'm gonna apply some concealer first, just to make sure that my eyeshadow stays on all day and does not crease. And also, I wanted to say that
this wig that I'm wearing, I know I have a lot of people that have been asking me questions about it. If you watch my previous haul video from last year, I mentioned it in that video. You could always check out that video and the link is in the description box for it. But I think for my next video I'm gonna make a final review on it. For my transition color, I'm gonna go in with this.
just gonna apply it right here.
And also I want to make sure I say thank you to everyone who's been subscribing to my channel, and thank you to everyone who's been watching my videos and supporting my channel. I'm really excited because my channel is growing. So yeah, thank you everyone. And like I'm really trying to come up with different ideas for my channel, and I want to do different stuff. I want to do creative stuff. So yeah, I'm really a little kind of afraid to step out of my comfort zone when it comes to makeup. So I guess maybe I'm just afraid that I'm gonna get judged based on the stuff I do. I'll try to step out of my comfort zone a little bit more, and do some creative stuff, because as an artist you always want to push yourself and be more creative. And well, I'm an artist because I draw, not like a makeup artist or anything. I'm really trying to get lots of inspiration, because lately I haven't been inspired really, and I barely have any time now, so I haven't been drawing as much. I mean, I do go to FIT, which is really a creative school and everything, but my major is fashion business management, so we don't really do creative projects and stuff. I mean, my first semester I did, but this semester not so much. It's more about marketing classes and retail classes and stuff like that. So I don't really do anything creative, but I've really been trying to get inspired and do stuff. I'm really trying to go out to the city. I don't have any friends at my school, so that's probably why it's so hard for me. But yeah, I'm really trying to step out of my comfort zone, meet new people, network, and just do some dope shit. My life is extremely boring right now, and I'm waiting for something big to happen. Probably shouldn't be waiting, probably should be making it happen, but it's not happening right now, and I'm still young, so I don't want to feel like I'm rushing my life and not enjoying my youth,
This is a really simple makeup look. I'm just going to school. I'm not trying to do nothing dramatic. I
This is like one of my favorite YouTubers is Fun for Louie, and he's been to like so many places, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, like, can I have your life? The only downside is I know he recently got a girlfriend. I was always wondering, when was he gonna meet someone that's gonna be down with him traveling like literally every day. And I love his vlogs when he goes to Africa, and the kids, I just love them. They're like so adorbs, honestly, and that really makes me want to just do something amazing. Actually, I have been thinking about starting a charity, probably for Haiti, maybe. I mean, it's so intimidating when I think about it because it's such a big deal. Is it a big deal? I don't think it's a big deal to help others, but I think at my age, I think I'm just limiting myself maybe because of my age. But yeah, I think I want to start a charity, you know, maybe to help the people over there. I'm trying to be more open to the camera and have more, you know, so my personality can come through a little, because I feel like it's a bit dull when I just do the makeup and not say anything. I want you guys to see my personality. I'm not really an open book, honestly, and that's something I'm trying to been working on, because it has affected me in like when it comes to friendships and relationships. Honestly, relationships is just like, it's a joke to me at this point, because like, I don't think I can actually say I've ever been in a serious relationship, honestly.
And this is the e.l.f. eyeliner.
I'll try to come up with more interesting topics to talk about while I'm getting ready. Ben High from Topaz. And this, you know, I never get this on camera. I'm not gonna use any cream contour today. I'm just gonna use powder bronzing, just because I want to do something different. So yeah, I'm just gonna go. Palette, not Fantasy Cosmetic. I'm not sure if you guys heard about it, but yeah, just some random palette, but I like it.
I'm just gonna dust this powder away now.
Forever sculpting Pro Sculpting Duo. Yeah, I thought I was gonna like it a bit more, but I don't, unfortunately. I think it makes me look a little ashy, so.
And I'm gonna do this to the sculpt because I don't have the fan brush. So you want one, I'm gonna get one. Dry it at the highest point. And it's looking a little ashy right now. And after I put on my setting spray, it looks much better. So yeah.
I actually just got this yesterday. I think I'm gonna use it. Then I'm gonna use either that one or this one. I'm gonna mix them a little bit more. I like it.
Right, oh yes. Oh yeah, I like it. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, I need to go get this.
This is the Carly Bible, and I got it from BH Cosmetics. And yeah, if you're looking for affordable highlighter, I guess
Get yourself a Carly Bible. Okay.
yeah, I like it. I actually just used it just now, but I actually had a feeling that's how it was gonna look. Okay, so apparently I sprayed my face, but I didn't get it on camera. So I used my NYX matte finish to spray my face, to set my face. I already sprayed it on, and it looks bomb already. I love it. And now I'm applying some mascara. I'm using the Milani Total Lash Cover. I already applied it on this eye and I messed it up. So let's try it again on that eye and hopefully not mess it up.
Yes.
I think I'm gonna use this just because it's nice outside, and you know, a little pink wouldn't be not gonna kill anyone. Okay, it's really bright though. But yeah, this is from ColourPop, and it's called Lychee. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna line my lips. This is the LA Girl Party Pink.
When you're using the ColourPop lip stains, you want to make sure you apply chapstick first, or like some kind of lip moisturizer, because it's gonna dry your lips out. Okay. A couple ColourPop lip stain. I don't know if anyone wants to see like a swatch video, because I know everyone on YouTube has one, so that's why I didn't make one. But if anyone wants to see a swatch video, let me know. I'll make one. Love it, guys. So yeah.
That's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And I know my topics were like mad random. I don't know, honestly. So Morphe palettes. Overall, I love it. I love the color. I think it's the perfect palette for people with deeper skin tone. And yeah, if you wanna get it, just make sure, because I think they restock it like every month. So I think that's what the lady told me. So yeah, just check the website every day, because literally it goes out and it's out of stock in one day, probably a couple hours, I'm not sure. But yeah, I have to say I really love it. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching, and see you next time.